Hi, good morning and welcome to another video by Jim the Car Guy. Today we have a 2013 Cadillac ATS and we're going to be changing the cabin filter inside the dashboard. This one is really not that difficult as long as you know what to do. So let me bring you in there. I'm going to show you what tools you're going to need and where the cabin filter is located and how to go about replacing it. So come on inside and we're going to get started. Okay, this is where the cabin filter is located, up inside the glove box here, so we're going to take this out. Now we did take all the crap out of the box that was inside here so we can gain access to it. And the filter itself is actually back inside here. So what we need to do now is go up inside here and we're going to remove this whole assembly right here. You don't need to really take much more out. So let's take out the screw. This actually is a Phillips head screw up here, but I actually got in here with the smaller screwdriver. You can get in here with the Phillips head, of course. And then that little tiny plastic clip right there, you just get behind it like this, and you pry it down without breaking it because we need to use it over again. Pull this out, just like that. And then we take our whole unit here and we pull it to get this tray out, just like that. Now we're not going to disconnect anything further in there, but up inside there is your filter, right up inside here. Reach in here, you squeeze these tabs together like that, and you squeeze the other tab like this. And you take that cover, out, and there is our filter. Just move that wire this way and pull it. Just like that. Sorry about it being a little bit shaky. Alright. And this is what the filter looks like. You can see a bunch of crap inside there. This has got about 25,000 miles on it. So now we did order the replacement. Make sure when you put the replacement in, you make sure your arrow is facing in the correct position. The airflow needs to go that way. So, all right, let's grab the filter and let's put it back together. Okay, before I go any further, I just want to point this out to you. There's no need to remove this side panel and to remove the other pieces inside here to lower this down any further. That's the way it tells you to do it in the book, but there's no reason to lower this down any further than it is right here. All right, so don't worry about doing what it says. Pulling this panel off and then unscrewing the retractor up on the side here. You do not need to do it, as you can see. All right, so let me grab the filter and we'll put it back together. Okay, now we have our replacement filter. We're just going to put it in the same way that it came out. We just have to get past those cables in there. Push it all the way in. Now remember, those arrows have to be facing down because that's the direction of airflow. And then we'll put our cover back on the top. Okay. Okay, and now that we're snapped back in, we can take this here, the tray. Now remember, when you put this back in, there's a little tiny lip right up inside here and as well as over here that we need to slide this tray back into. I'll show you. See right up inside there? It's got to go in that little lip, and that has to go in there as well. Those two pieces right up on top right there. Okay, push it all the way in. And now we're going to put our screw back up the side there. Alright, make sure it's in all the way. And then we just take this little piece here, put it up in there like that. Take the screw. Alright, screw it back in. It's only plastic, so don't go crazy over tightening it. And that's it. All set. Alright, next thing we're going to do, obviously, is we're going to clean off all of our fingerprints here. And we're going to put all this crap back inside the glove box. So, alright, let's put that crap back in there and we'll continue. Okay, before we let it go out, we're just going to clean everything up. Make sure we have no fingerprints on anything. Worst thing you can do is send the car back out to a customer and have it be all dirty. Okay, that's it. So now you might start the car up and you may hear a little bit of noise in the fan there, because sometimes when you pull that cabin filter out, leaves or debris fall down into the blower motor, but they should chop up and be out real quick. Alright, that's only if there's a lot of debris inside there. If there's a lot of debris, you may want to vacuum it out just to make sure all that stuff is out of there. And that's it, we're done. Cleaned it all off, put the filter in, put everything back inside the glove box. That's it, out the door and on to the next one. Alright, as always, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.